Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel, Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. So today we are going to learn about search engines. So okay, let me share my screen with you. I am sharing my screen with you. Okay. You know what is search engines? Search engines like Google, Yahoo. These are search engines like where we can search. We like where customers search or where people search anything. Like YouTube is also a search engine. YouTube is a video search engine, and Google is the biggest search engine. I think and the YouTube is a second largest search engine, which is also a part of Google. But uh, search engines from today we learn about search engines from a user's perspective. So, okay, like search engines are the evaluation of classified listings, like yellow pages. Like search engines is like a list of something. Like when you search restaurant, so search engine shows you the list of multiple restaurants uh, in the behalf of your location, uh, in the behalf of your choices. Like if you choose Chinese restaurant, so search engine shows you some Chinese restaurant which is nearby you. Nearby you is like around your in your locality. Okay. And so search engines are the evolution of classified listing yellow pages. It is like search engine is like an encyclopedia of something. Okay. People will only search for something they know exist. Yeah, these are the second biggest point. Like people will only search for something they know exist. Like if you don't know that there is something which exists, so how can you think about that? And if you don't think about that, so how can you search about that? So uh, so people usually searches for, like only usually searches for content. Content is like some reading material, some other video material, some photos, or some any other form of content like infographic, photos, videos, music, anything, audio. And and second is product. Products is like any product like mobiles, telephone, sorry, mobiles and TV and any other product like and third is services. Services like plumber, technicians, and all other services. And so these people usually searches for uh, these three type of things or categories. Like first is content. Content is like entertaining, educating, and all other type. Second is product, and third is services. Content can be news, entertainment, or helpful for information. And like Amazon is also a search engine. Amazon is a search engine for various products. Zomato is also a search engine. Zomato and Swiggy are the search engine for restaurants. Like you can also create your search engine for something. I am also thinking to launch a search engine by myself for something. Okay, you will be know about that soon. A search engine need not to be Google. Zomato is a restaurant search engine. A new product or services which does not have any awareness cannot be advertised by the search engine. Search engine fulfill a domain. Search engine fulfill a demand. Display generated demand. Like this is most important point. Like okay, sorry. This is most important point. Like a new product or service which doesn't have any awareness, like people don't know that product or services, so the search engine cannot sell that product, because like search engine cannot be advertised by the, like you can't advertise that product via search engine. Search engines fulfill a demand, display ads, generated demands. An iPad, tablet computer would not have any search volume in the year 2005. Yeah, because at that time it doesn't exist, like iPhone or iPad is doesn't exist in 2005, so they don't have any search volume on the search engine. But all of the sudden, when they come on the market, the search volume for these terms like iPad, iPhone will be higher. Sorry, in the in this case, you need to generate the demand, and demand generation can be done via display or YouTube ads, etc. Okay, so the now we will look at like how do search engine works. The primary purpose of a search engine is to deliver quality and relevant result to its users. Relevance is the most important. Let's say you are searching for restaurant, um, but the search engines are showing you a list of supermarkets, not useful at all. There are multiple level of relevance. If you are searching for Nike shoes and it's showing you Adidas shoes, then it's still not relevant. Relevance Relevance include locations, subcategories, pricing range, and more demanding on the niche. Second is the quality of the result. The list has to be useful for you to make decisions. Example: you are searching for restaurants. The first result that comes in is not close to you, not a good restaurant and has bad ratings. If the restaurant has done black hat SEO and is trying to game the result, you would not use the search engines. Like if you're searching for a restaurant and uh, the search engine shows you a bad restaurant, like which have a bad rating, which is no close to you, and and that is not close to you, and that is not recommended by the people. So I think you will not use that search engine again. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. It is all search engines. Okay, let's meet tomorrow.